Hi, I am Lemon, and in this video I'll show you how to use ChatGPT Codex in Visual Studio Code with the official OpenAI Codex extension. Let's get started. First, open Visual Studio Code. Click the extension icon from the left sidebar. In the search box, type Codex. Make sure you install the official Codex extension from OpenAI. Click Install. Now wait for the installation process to complete. Once the installation is complete, you will see the OpenAI logo. Click on it to open Codex. If this is your first time using it, click Sign in. Your browser will open automatically. Sign in with your ChatGPT or OpenAI account and complete the authorization process. Once you are done, you will be redirected back to Visual Studio Code automatically. Now you are ready to start using Codex. Keep in mind that Codex usage depends on your ChatGPT or OpenAI plan. Some features and models may require a paid subscription, and each plan has its own usage limits. If you reach your limit, you will need to wait for it to reset or use API based billing if it's available on your account. And that's it. You have successfully installed the OpenAI Codex extension and started using ChatGPT inside Visual Studio Code. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tutorials.